What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today it will be an update on Cardano. So if you are interested about the exact price that I think Cardano is gonna hit, or if you are interested about the new setups that I'm currently watching here, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group. So if you want to know about the exact setups and exact trades that I'm taking, then definitely don't forget to join, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on a daily time frame. This setup that I talked about in my previous Cardano video is still valid. So I'm still waiting here for a retest of this area, which is between level 0.906 and 0.831. And also I'm waiting either for just a bullish retest or a liquidity grab and then a support confirmation. The trade with just a bullish retest will look exactly like this, so I want to wait here for that support confirmation, and then my last take profit target, and I can place either like under this bearish order block on a daily time frame or like slightly above, which will give me risk reward ratio up to 10.3. So this is in my opinion really great setup. In this case, you also want to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you, for example, want to take like under this previous lows, then under this area of the highest liquidity. This is currently level 1.075. Then, for example, like under this previous highs, this bearish order block area, some profits in this area, and then you can save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end, with like 6 take profit targets, the risk reward ratio is gonna be from 10.3. The risk reward ratio is gonna be like 7.5, something like that. Depends on how many profits you will actually take on like these lower take profit targets. So if you will take, let's say, a large amount of the profits, then your risk reward ratio is going to be around 6. And then the second trade that you can trade here will be valid in case of a liquidity grab under this previous important lows, and after this fake out there needs to be a support confirmation in this bullish order block area. Stop loss, in this case, you want to place under the low that we will create during the fake out. So let's assume the stop loss will have like 8.2%. And the last take profit targets you can then place on the exact same levels. The take profit targets can remain exactly the same as with the previous setup. So some profits under these lows, area of highest liquidity, this previous highs, bearish order block, in this bearish order block area, and then something above. So these are the two main setups that I am currently watching on a daily time frame. This trade, or like this liquidity grab, I think that's the biggest target that we can hit from this pump will be above this bearish order block area, which is between levels 1.956 and 1.865, which means that like your, let's say, technical last take profit targets can be on like 1.97, something like that, so slightly under that $2 mark, because yeah, I think that's in the next, let's say, alt pump, Cardano is definitely gonna hit like those prices. If you want to know about some trading setups on the lower time frame, then for example on the 4-hour chart, we have this bullish order block area. This is a perfect opportunity to entry just a limit order, because if we are gonna hit this area, it means that we will take important liquidity under all of these previous important lows, so there will be many stop losses. Of course, this trade is more risky because we are let's say risking that there will be a bigger dump, because of course after that liquidity grab and many stop losses, there will be a room for another dump. So in this case, your stop loss should be, I think, definitely under like 8% to have decent risk reward ratio. So for example, under this bullish order block area, and the last take profit targets, in this case, you can place like slightly above the current high, so let's say a level like $1.5 mark, 1.49, something like that, which can give you a trade with risk reward ratio around 7.35. So if you will take multiple take profit targets, so some of the profit, for example, like under this highs, this area of highest liquidity and this bearish order block, above this bearish order block, like under this high, and then some take profit target, the risk reward ratio in the end can be around like 4.55, something like that, which is in my opinion really great setup. And honestly, this is my main setup that I am currently watching on this coin. So if there will be, let's say, a retest of this bullish order block, I'm highly thinking that I will be using this as a potential long entry. My risk management for this trade will be probably around 1%, maybe 0.8% per the stop loss, something like that, which is in my opinion like ideal risk management on a 4-hour chart trade. If you are interested about some trading setups on even lower time frames, then for example you can trade like this bullish order block on a 1-hour chart. But me personally, I think that like 1-hour chart for some trading positions like this is like, at least I think you should trade on a 4-hour, because the lower you will get, for example on like a 30-minute or like a 15-minute chart, the lower probability of a successful trade you have. And this is some global statistical data. Like a lot of people are more profitable on the higher time frames, but if it suits you, you can of course trade it. For example, on the 30-minute chart, you can speculate here for the liquidity grab under all of these previous important lows and then for a support confirmation. But if we will take a look on that 4-hour chart, it will be basically the same trading scenario as on the 4-hour. So yeah guys, these are currently the main setups that I am watching here. If we are gonna switch on a weekly time frame, there is like nothing new. I still think that in this bull market we are gonna hit price above this bearish order block area. I think we can hit something around like $4 mark, maybe 5 something like that. So in the long time perspective, I still think that this is the best coins that you can currently buy. So yeah guys, this will be all from me for today. If you for example want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I am sharing these types of setups every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. So yeah guys, this will be, as I said, all from me for today, and I will see you in my next video. See ya.